What up, people? It's your boy, Guled. So, guys, I just want to say, man, I just love you guys, man. Just want to big up Shawnee. Sean showed me about this water thing, you know. Get me? Brother told me, bro, a car needs petrol, yeah? So without petrol, the car's not moving. So how do you think you're walking around out here with no water in your system? So big up Shawnee, you get me? So bam, watch this now, yeah? Yeah, this is a jail story now. I'm gonna go back to B part 2. This is the intro, B part 2, when B had to stick it on man in the mosque for talking. Watch this now, yeah? So now man's on the wing with B in it. So B's got the wing pattern and that. He used to love playing table tennis. So he's banging out his table tennis, pat, 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 smoking bear man, pat, pat, pat. He's got his servery clothes on, the smoking bear man. I remember there was one brother. Yeah, from in Stratford, some African brother, I think Nigerian brother. I forgot his name, innit? And there's one little young Barawani brother called Janali from Finsbury Park, innit? He was around my height as well, innit? But he had long hair. Get me, mashallah, innit? So these time now, my man, Janali's there, innit? But he's meant to be next on table tennis, innit? So watch this now. I'm not just saying nothing to do with mosque, but I'm just wrapping it all together, innit? So he's meant to be next on table tennis now, yeah? But and this brother, this African brother, innit? I forgot the brother's name. What is it called? Blacks. What was the brother called? Some African, but I forgot his name anyway. Yeah, he's from Stratford, I think, from East. Yeah, watch this now. Yeah. So Janali's meant to be next, innit? So obviously this brother and this African brother's come true now. As he's come true now, he's like, I'm on next. But obviously Janali, he don't even look Somali. And get me? So he said no. So Janali's like, no, I'm next. So he said, who's this boy? I'll slap him. You little light-skinned yellow boy, I'll slap you. You think you could talk to me? So he's trying to stick it on Janali, innit? So as he's trying to stick it on Janali, guess who's over there on the sidelines? And obviously B's there, innit? So B's there, hey bro, what are you doing? And then he said, nah. And then my man looked at B and he said, bro, my man's next, man. Like, forget all of this bullying thing. Man can't bully, man. Like, he said, nah, man, I'm next. He said, bro, my man's next, or we can go showers, you know. But obviously, man didn't want to smoke, so, you know, man just went on the blue phone, innit? Just had a little strop and just went on the blue phone straight away. So, you know, obviously, you get me, he looked after little bro, innit? So, this time now, obviously, he was the oldest on the wing, innit? So, he was older than man, innit? Like, he had 2 years on man. I think he was 20 and I was 18, innit? So, like, he's oldest. And when them times there, age matter, you get me? When you get to these ages here, brother, everyone's the same. Watch this now, yeah? It's Friday prayers now. As it's Friday prayers now, yeah? Everyone comes, all the prison, and all the wings come together, you know? Everyone just, give me, it's a time to pray. It's a time to, you know what I mean? Come together. It's a time to listen to hadith, listen to what the word, the messenger of the and the messenger of Allah, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what he implemented us to do, innit? So the imam's doing this now. So as he's talking, he's giving us the khutbah. That's khutbah is basically the beginning of this, the beginning of the prayer. So he does a little speech, like 30-minute speech. So as he's doing the khutbah and that, everyone's there, but there's people still at the back talking, innit? I just man, but when I mean these people, they're just not. These people are gunmen on road. These men are gangbangers. These men run certain, brother. I'm telling you, but watch this now, yeah. That's how you know, man. Everything out here is fugazi. Watch this now, yeah. Man's just chilling. Everyone's just chilling. Everything's calm now. Obviously the khutbah is finished now, innit? The speech is finished now. As the speech is finished now, everyone has to get up now. So the airdown's getting called. So as the airdown getting called, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. You know the airdown is what they do before every start of the prayer. You know what I mean? Come to success, come to success. Yeah, something like that. Come to success, come to success. That's what it means. I don't know exactly what it means, but yeah. So as he's doing that, but these time B, he's been intact with his deen since a young teen, you know, and since a young kid, man. You know what I mean? He knew about his deen. I think he's finished the Quran, mashallah, as a child. Allahumma barik. I think he was studying out in Kenya when he was younger. And plus, Yeah, so he knew the power of the iman. But you see me, I don't know about that. Man was a brother on road who used to wait for mandem to come out of the mosque. Imagine that. Imagine it's Friday prayers. You're just there. You got your drawers. You got your anything. I'm just there thinking, well, I'll go for these guys, man. I'm waiting. Imagine I'm walking to the mosque with my brethren. Subhanallah, man. This is how you know God works in mysterious ways. I'm walking to the mosque with my brethren, but I'm telling my brethren, yo, I'm waiting for you outside. Yeah, just go and do your thing like I'm not Muslim. Look at that. That's mad, isn't it? Watch this now, yeah. So back to the mosque now, yeah. As B and as B is there, yeah, and as the Adhan's getting called out, yeah, man, them are talking in the back, innit? Everyone's got up now. B, the Adhan's going off. B's look back, so yo, be quiet. Man, them are still talking. Man must look back now. I swear to God, bro, he's looked back now. Hey, you man, the next man says one word, yeah. See if I don't smoke you on the spot. I'm there, I'm looking at the brother like, I'm like, bro, you're gonna, I'm thinking, bro, you're gonna get us effed up today. I looked at him, these men are looking like oxes, silverbacks. So I'm looking at these men like, shib, they not have said one word. Not one word. The only person who probably said something, it was his brethren, Littles, in it, from Brixton. And Brixton, I think Littles was standing here next to him, and he looked at B and said, "Ah, you're gas, bro." Again, and B just smiled at him, innit? And then they just started praying. Yeah, and I'm just there. Imagine he's there. He's on that row, I'm on that row, so I can see everything that's going on. And I looked at that, I was like, bro, I fully respect that, man. You understand? Man could have got rushed. Man could have got smoked. But man told man, shut up, rude boy, before you get smacked up. And man went quiet. And these man are gangbangers on the road and everything, bro. So, yeah, big up B for that time. I didn't even forget about that day. That day, I thought it was going to go pear-shaped on us. And, yeah, there's going to be more content about B. And, yeah, by the way, imagine this, yeah. I'm going to give you 2 stories in one for B, yeah. Imagine this, yeah. B was in Feltham. As he was in Feltham, some youths rushed him in the showers, innit? Some Turkish youths. You get me? One of them was chatting shit to him, and he went in the shower, so they ended up rushing the brother, innit? So as he got rushed, I think he was on Nightingale. I'm not sure, was it Nightingale or Till? I'm not sure, he was on Nightingale in Felts, yeah? So they must have rushed the brother, yeah? In the showers, yeah? Alright, cool. You win some, you lose some. Shit happens, innit? Now, it's obviously, as you see, he's got that gel pattern now, yeah? As he's got the gel pattern now, yeah? Friday prayers. I think this was a month before I got there. So he's giving me the job, what happened. Because there was mandem already. Because watch this. Because when I came, mandem are looking at me and saying to B, you know, I could have went home today, you know. But I'll tell you why, innit? Watch this now. It's Friday prayers now. But guess who walks in? The same youths that rushed him in Feltham. Oh, they're going to learn today. So these man, they're fucked in now. B's clocked them, but they ain't clocked B. B's clocked them, so he's gone to his brethren. I think it was Littles that got extra days as well. There was a next brother that got, Ali Bouncer from Brixton. He got extra days as well. A couple certain brothers from Brixton, yeah. This time now, so he's gone to them, man. I said, yo, you, man, remember, these, man, they rushed me and felt after the prayer. But you see that, hear what he said. After the prayer, man, I'm going to smoke these guys. So he didn't want to interrupt the prayer, you know. He wanted, you know what, let's pray. Obviously, you got intentions to fight afterwards, but at least you're respecting the salah. The salah comes first. So now, boom. So he's prayed. As they prayed now, them man, they got lifted. Wababa. They got smoked, man. Them got their chairs on them. Baba, baba, baba. Smack them up. And yeah, just wrap them up. You get me? So yeah, the moral of that story is now, you think you're going to act bad in one jail, and you're not going to get caught slipping in the next jail. Get me? So the moral to that is, keep yourself humble. Don't try to act bad when you got numbers, you know what I mean? Like, be the guy you are when you're by yourself. People will respect that more. Hope that makes sense. thank you for all the love and support and the energy that I'm getting out here. And there's gonna be a lot more content. And yeah, big up B. You understand? One of the last that in of the reels. Trust me. In a bit, you guys. Love.